Right, wow, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi.
Right, today I got 7 even today because even though we don't have the best word between about us about English today, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa, don't worry about that because we have the best newcomer today, Mr. Safwan. Very long time ago in Australia, speak English very totally awesome. And now we have the best word Mr. Fata, and we're sitting here together about English today. Yeah? Alright, well, today I would like to share my experience about the teacher don't like when I was in school at the time. At the time I always remember her said 1997, 1998 at the time. At the time got second grade at the time. Her always humiliate me, hit me, kicking me, and then hit me by a huge ruler at the time in 1997. I was nothing at the time. I got, stupid. I stood a lot of students mocking at me because, I got poor people, I don't have the child, not only by my best friend, but also my sister, my brother at the time. So, every single people bullying me at the time, since I was in 1997 at the time. At the time, I always remember her when I can't read at the time. Not only the letter, but also every single book I couldn't read that. At the time, I got left behind in the class, the same grade at the time. My friend got the high level, but I got still stay put in that class, second grade at the time. So in 1989 at the time, my mommy, went home to my village and moving on me, banda, day by day, weeks by weeks, month by time. I was trying to learn how to read at the time. Every single day, every single night, every single year, I start, to learn how to read. At the time, I can't read, and even though I don't have education, just finished, school, but I do love to learn languages, not only English, but also Esperanto, Spanish, and then Arabic. That is my dream come true. When I met people from United States, can't explain, American accent or Redneck accent. When I met people from United Kingdom, they can't speak, accent. When I met people from Australia, I can't speak accent. That's my time. That's my experience. I can't, forget that, that experience. This is very totally worth my life. That's my time and experience. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.